home. My name is Gift.
And I am Sir William.
And today we're going to be making paper crowns and catapults. So first I'm going to show you how to make a paper crown. The only thing we're going to need is a paper plate, some markers or anything that you can use to color, and a pair of scissors. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to decorate this side of our paper plate. And then I'm going to color it just a little bit. And then after I'm done decorating, which I already finished decorating, it's going to look a little bit like this. The next step we're going to do is we're going to fold it like a taco. Right in half. So that it looks like this. And then we're going to take our scissors and just cut in the middle. Not all the way. And take our scissors again and cut another diagonal line so that it kind of looks like you're cutting out pieces of a pizza. Then you're going to unfold your paper half and cut the rest of your pizza slices out. So you have all the same triangles. Then you're going to take all of your triangles and fold them up to make some points on your paper crown. And you place it on your head. Ta-da!
Very nice. Very nice.
Are we ready to make a catapult now?
Alright, so I'm going to show you how to make a catapult today. So the first thing you're going to need is some popsicle sticks. You're going to want about 8 small ones, and you're going to need 2 big ones. Now you don't need to use 8, you can use 7, you can use 9, it all depends on what you want to try, you can get different results. But for this one, we're going to use 8. So, what you're going to do is you're going to bring these popsicle sticks together just like this, hold them together, and you are going to use a rubber band to tie one end together. Now you might need a grown-up's help for this, because sometimes using these rubber bands can be a bit tricky. There you go. So now you have the base for your catapult. Now, in order to launch something in your catapult, you do need something to hold it in. And so we are going to use a spoon. Now you can use a spoon, we used a spork at one point, or a fork or something. Just something that needs a space for the thing we're going to launch. So, same thing, we are going to use our rubber bands. Then, just to be sure, you're going to use another rubber band and wrap it around this side as well. Then, you're going to take your other popsicle stick and you are going to wrap these 2 ends here at the bottom with another rubber band. So then what you're going to do is you're going to leave the other end open. So you're not going to bring that to close the rubber band. You're going to open it up a bit. And you're going to put the base right underneath here. And then you're going to use another rubber band. And you're going to wrap it around here. And there you are. There is your catapult. And I am actually going to test it out right now. So I've got a pre-made castle here that's made from Legos. And I am going to take a cotton ball and I'm going to launch it with my catapult and see how it does. So what you're going to do is you're going to press down right here and then you're going to let it go and woo!
Oh no!
Try that one more time. And if it goes straight up in the air, don't worry about it. It's all part of the fun, all part of the science. One more time. Oh, okay, well, third time's the charm, I suppose. Let's see. Oh, there we go, I hit it. Ha! Alrighty, everyone, so that is how you make a catapult.
Thank you for joining us at GCM at Home. We hope you have fun with your paper crowns and catapults. This is Gift.
This is Sir William.
We hope you have a great day.